Hello everyone, welcome to Electric Vehicles and this is Pavan Kumar. Now I'm here at Telio Communication Private Limited. Actually they are into EV charging business. So let's go inside and let's have a chat with them about their products. Come with me. Hello sir, this is Pavan Kumar from Electric Vehicles channel. So
Sure.
may I know your name sir?
Yeah, I'm Santosh Sahu, so I'm the global sales head for electric vehicle charging in Telio Labs.
Okay.
Yeah,
So may I know what kind of products that you are offering? So you are actually into EV business, right? Like EV charging business, right?
yeah, that's right. So we are a technology company, so we generally provide the technology solution for electric vehicle charging. And in here, as part of Telio Labs, we have our own brand called Telio EV.
Okay.
So basically, in the Indian market, it is the largest aggregator and provides the interoperability, for Telio Labs. And so basically, one of the biggest customer problems is today. So there are many EV charging players in the market, right? So if I have to charge my vehicle, then I have to download an app and I have to add money so that I can go and charge. But if I'm traveling from here to, let's say, Delhi, on the way I can find 10-20 different charging stations. Then in that case, what happens is the user will have to download 10 different mobile apps.
Yes.
And they will have to charge. So it is a lot of pain for the end customer.
Right.
So we are solving that problem and we are providing a very common platform. So using Telio EV app, so they can basically charge in any sort of charging stations.
Okay.
And we are having largest number of charging stations in our own platform.
Okay.
So you can locate, navigate, and go to the particular charging station and also charge in that charging station.
Right. Okay. So you are like aggregator of all apps.
Absolutely, that's
So
right.
anyone can find any charging app with you within your app.
Absolutely.
Right. Okay.
Absolutely.
So actually, central government is coming with battery swapping policy, right? So
Right.
if it comes, what about charging stations?
Yeah, so as you know, I mean, this industry is evolving, and battery swapping is definitely a very good thing for especially the two-wheeler and three-wheeler, market segment.
Yes.
Where the battery size is very small.
Yes.
And as for the policy, again, there is a little bit of work to be done because where a lot of standardization has to happen.
Okay.
Because if you look at today, even a lot of battery, OEMs, they have their own standards of the battery,
Yes.
but it has to be very standardized so that in future what will happen is people will they will just buy the vehicle, but the battery will be given as a service,
Yeah.
just like your LPG cylinder today, right?
Yes.
So you consume that as a service, and I mean I don't own the LPG cylinder. Similarly, the buyer of that vehicle is not going to own the battery. It will be owned by the specific manufacturers, and that will be provided as a service to the customers.
And also battery swapping is not possible with four-wheelers, right?
Yeah, that is because of the inherent reasons. If you look at the four-wheeler vehicles, the size of the battery is pretty big.
Yes.
So in that case, the inventory and storage of that battery becomes a very critical thing, and it's very difficult also. And I remember one of the startups in US, they also had this model, but it failed because of the huge inventory and the storage that is required, and also the time to swap the batteries within a car. That's a bit difficult.
Okay.
Because it's very easy in case of a small two-wheeler or three-wheeler. So that's why those models are particularly aimed at two-wheeler and three-wheeler segments.
So is this app a prototype or is it available in the
No, that's available in the Google Play Store, so it can be very well downloaded.
So you
and
can
people
also download
use
these guys?
it. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Right.
Absolutely. So people can download and use it very well. And today also we are running a campaign in India wherein people can download this app, and the moment they download, we plant a tree for them. Yeah,
that's a good.
So I mean, one way we are promoting the adoption of the EV. The other way we are also planting. I mean, we have taken that responsibility to plant a tree. So the other way we are reducing the carbon footprint from the atmosphere.
Yes.
So it's a kind of win-win situation, and it is our corporate social responsibility as well, wherein we can create and provide that benefit to the environment.
Yes, okay, that's a good initiative, sir.
Thank you.
And thank you very much for your valuable time and information.
Really appreciate that. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Sure. So that's all about these guys. So they are into EV business and they are providing an app so that you can download it and you no need to worry about charging stations and like kind of apps. So you can get all that apps in this one app only. So if you are interested, you can go and download it in Google Play Store. And that's all for now, guys. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and also share this video to your friends and family members. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications whenever we upload the video. Go green,
Go electric.